What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to use built-in ruler in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on display. Now in display, scroll down and click on edge panels, and then first of all turn on edge panels and then tap on panels. Now from here select the tools panel to add it to the edge panel, and after adding this panel to the edge panels, go back to your home screen. Now to use the built-in ruler, open the edge panel. Now open the tools panel. So this is the tools panel. Now to open the built-in ruler, click on this 3-dot more icon. Now here click on ruler. So this is the built-in ruler. Now you can switch between inches and centimeters, and if you think this is not accurate, then tap on calibrate to fix the readings of the rulers. Now after calibrating, tap on done. So that's how you can use built-in ruler in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.